Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. So today's video is all about the Body Shop, and you guys know I love Body Shop products. I actually came out of a dedicated video of all my Body Shop products. I'll link it right here. You guys can go and check it out. So recently they came out with something which is very interesting, which I find that will save you guys a lot of money if you have not tried out Body Shop facial mask and body scrub. Body Shop launched this new product, which is their mini facial range. This is an awesome alternative to actually try it out. One pot you get 15 ml. Probably you can get about 3 to 4 good uses out of the product to see whether it works for your skin, you break out, any irritation, and you don't have to spend that much of money, because when it comes to skincare, it can be a little bit expensive. So this 15 ml retails for $9. So previously they did not have this, so if you ever wanted to try Body Shop mask out, you had to buy their full size version. Is 75 ml for $35. If it doesn't work for your skin, this goes to waste, your money goes to waste, and the whole product just goes down the drain. So I'm going to share about the mask, the ingredients in a while. Meanwhile, I'm going to share with you guys the other items that I actually bought from Body Shop that also comes in the mini version. So you guys know that I love the almond and milk honey body scrub. You have seen me guys use that on my legs after I shave to give my skin that. But the full-size version is 250 ml for $33. Now they also have the option for you guys to purchase the 50 ml for $9 if you want to try the body scrub for your skin. You can get a good probably like 2 uses if you're going to use it to try it out on a particular part of your body. But if you want to try it out for your skin to see whether your skin can accept that you don't have any redness or any reaction to your skin, you can always try them out. So I bought this one, which is the Fuji green tea, because I always want to try it out because I love the scent. It's so fresh, it's so refreshing. So this is how it looks like inside. You have like this, the bee smell. It's so refreshing, guys. Apply this mask on my face to give you guys like a insight of how the mask actually feels on the skin, instead of just out of the 5 picking one mask and putting all over my face and then the rest of them you don't actually have a proper insight of it. So the first one is the British Rose. Just right off the bat, opening up, you know, stop smelling it. The smell of this mask is amazing. So I'm going to use my little applicator brush and I'm going to apply this to my forehead. And what this actually helps your skin with, it hydrates your skin, plump your skin, and give you a much healthier, brighter, fresher looking skin. But the scent of it is super amazing. It smells so refreshing. Upon application, this mask, it's a cooling mask. It calms your skin down, at the same time hydrates your skin. I really like it. The second one I'm gonna try is my favorite one. It's the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. And what this actually does, this mask helps you to pull toxins out of your skin, remove impurities and excess oil. And this product has tea tree oil inside also, which helps to kill bacteria on your face and reduce pimples. If you are very acne prone, this mask will really work for you. This is my favorite mask, guys. You can actually use this mask with your fingers or with a beauty brush. I normally like to go in with the beauty brush first, and then I will just go in and tap out in the areas where I need more. And you can see it's like slowly drying up already at the corners. Okay, so this mask, upon application, you definitely can feel tingling, which will go away within like 20 to 30 seconds, under a minute. I wouldn't recommend you guys to actually use this mask if you have broken skin. Like you have irritation on your skin, definitely will feel burning sensation. That's when you know you have broken skin. So skin will feel itchy if you have bacteria on your skin because of the tea tree oil, which has the properties to kill bacteria. So the next mask I'm going to try is the coffee one, Nicaraguan coffee, the Intense Awakening Mask. So this mask is to reduce tired skin, remove impurities, and make your pores look more refined. Out of all the masks in Body Shop, this is the strongest exfoliating effect. So I'm going to take this bad boy and put it at my chin here, right here, because I have a lot of textured skin around here. Very beautiful coffee smell. I'm a coffee lover, so I'm okay with it. Upon application, it felt warming on the skin. Now it's probably about like 10 to 20 seconds already. The warming effect is literally fading away, but I don't have any burning sensation, no tingling. I don't find that this is irritating the skin. So the next one I'm gonna go and try is the Japanese matcha tea, and this is a pollution clearing mask which purifies your skin and removes environmental pollution. It makes your skin more radiant. This mask has a gentle exfoliant, so I'm gonna just put this on my cheek area. It's a very creamy texture. So upon application for this, number one, the smell. It has a very refreshing smell. No warming effect, no tingling. In fact, it feels cooling in the skin. You have like those mild exfoliants over there. So the last one I'm gonna try is the Chinese ginseng rice, and this is to remove dullness and uneven skin, which help to brighten and moisturize and soften your skin. So upon application, the smell, amazing. This is all the mask that is applied on my head. You see, British rose, Himalayan, coffee, Chinese ginseng and rice, and matcha tea. So for the Japanese matcha, you can see this is actually how it looks like when it's dried up. The coffee one, this is actually how it looks when it's dried up. It broke down into like an oil texture over here, so it's easier to exfoliate. As for the ginseng and rice one, you can see it's dried down. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of water and then you exfoliate. Same for the Japanese matcha. Same for the Himalayan charcoal. For the rose one, it has like that hydrating thing. Just go ahead and wash it up. Let me just go and wash all of this out. Okay guys, I am back. I just washed everything off. I mean, I cannot tell you what is what on my face. This thing looks the same right now. My whole skin texture looks the same. The main purpose of that was just to give you guys an insight of how it actually feels on your skin. So that was it. It wasn't to show the before and after, but sorry, my nose water went in. So that video will be coming out in a week time, because this mask you can actually wear 2 to 3 times a week. I'll come up with the before and after of how this mask looks like, but I really hope that I did a good job in, you know, giving you guys a proper insight of individual masks, how it feels on the skin, the texture, what the mask actually provides for your skin. Overall, I love all of them. They don't have very overpowering smell, a gentle exfoliating. Even for the coffee one, when I was washing it off, I never expected it. They said it was a strong exfoliant, but for me, I found it that it wasn't that strong. I have used harsh exfoliating scrubs. The St. Ives apricot scrub, oh, that is harsh. This one, I wouldn't even say it's a strong exfoliation at all. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. If you think this video has given you the proper information, do go and share it with friends and family who have never tried out Body Shop products and want to try it out. Go ahead and share this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.